Hey Raj, today's lesson is a big one. 50 useful English phrases, lesson 19.
50? That's even more than our verbs lesson.
Yes, but don't worry. We'll go through them naturally in groups with real examples, not just a boring list.
Okay, let's do it. Where do we start?
Let's start with everyday greetings and small talk. When you meet someone, besides how are you, what else can you say?
You can say, long time no see, or what have you been up to?
Nice ones. And when someone asks you that, you can reply, not much, just the usual. Or, I've been pretty busy lately.
And before leaving, instead of just bye, you can say, take care, or catch you later.
That's already 6 phrases. Okay, next group. Agreeing with someone. Besides yes or I agree, what else can we say?
That makes sense. Or you've got a point there.
And if you strongly agree, you can say absolutely or I couldn't agree more.
Nice. Those sound much more natural than just saying yes every time.
Exactly. Okay, now the opposite. Disagreeing politely. This is important because disagreeing rudely can sound harsh.
Right. So, what do we say instead of just no, you are wrong?
You can say, I see your point, but I think differently. Or, I'm not so sure about that.
And a softer one? That's true, but have you considered?
Perfect! That's 12 phrases already. Let's move to asking for help, since this is something everyone needs daily.
Besides, please help me? What else can we say?
Could you give me a hand with this? Or, would you mind helping me for a second?
And if you need someone to explain something again, call you walk me through this? Or can you break it down for me?
Great additions! 16 phrases now. Next group expressing opinions. When someone asks what you think about something,
You can say, in my opinion, or from my point of view,
and more casual ones. If you ask me, or honestly speaking,
I actually use honestly speaking a lot already.
good habit. 20 phrases now. Let's move to apologizing. This is a big one because there are so many ways to say sorry properly.
Besides just sorry, what else works?
I apologize for the inconvenience. More formal. Or casually, my bad, I totally forgot.
And when it's a bigger mistake, I owe you an apology. Or I feel really bad about that.
24 phrases. Okay, work related phrases now. Since we already covered office conversation in an earlier lesson. But let's add a few more useful ones.
Sure, let's touch base later. Means let's talk again soon. And I'll get back to you on that. Means you'll reply later with an answer.
Great ones. And let's circle back to this. Meaning, let's discuss this topic again later.
And if something is urgent, this needs to be a priority.
28 phrases now. Let's move to expressing emotions. Happiness, excitement, disappointment.
For happiness, I'm over the moon means extremely happy.
Nice idiom. And for excitement, I can't wait or I'm really looking forward to it.
And for disappointment, that's such a bummer. Or I'm quite disappointed, honestly.
33 now. Let's do encouragement. Phrases to motivate someone.
You've got this. Or don't give up, you're almost there.
And keep pushing. It will be worth it. Or I believe in you.
Those are actually really sweet phrases to use with friends.
37. Okay, let's do phrases for making suggestions.
Why don't we try this instead? Or how about we go with this option?
And what if we did it this way? Or I suggest we wait a bit longer.
41 now. Let's do phrases for clarifying when you didn't understand something.
Sorry, what do you mean by that? Or could you clarify that a bit?
And I'm not quite following. Can you explain again?
44. Almost there. Let's finish with phrases for ending a conversation politely.
Well, it was great talking to you. Or I should get going now.
And let's catch up again soon. Or take care. Talk soon.
And finally, thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.
That's 50. 50 useful English phrases, Raj.
Honestly, I didn't expect this to feel so natural. It felt like a normal conversation, not a list at all.
That's exactly the goal. These phrases work in real conversations, meetings, calls, casual chats, basically everywhere.
I think my favorites were I'm over the moon and let's touch base later. I'm definitely going to start using those.
Great choices. Friends, you don't need to memorize all 58 ones. Pick 5 or 6 that you like the most and start using them this week in your conversations.
And comment below which phrases were new for you or which ones you already knew.
We'd love to know. If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel because we have so many more useful lessons coming.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye. And Anjali, honestly, I'm over the moon that we finished all 50 without messing up.
See, you're already using the phrases. Bye everyone.